Hello friends, welcome back again. Want to combine multiple photos into one Instagram story? Today I will show you two easy way to do it. I have got Instagram open on my phone, so let's jump right in with the first method. Method 1, the draw tool. This method gives you full creative control over how your photos are arranged and sized. First, tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner, then tap the small plus icon next to your profile picture, or tap the plus icon in the top left corner and select story from the menu. This usually open your camera roll automatically. Then tap on the double A icon. Now pick a background color. I will go with red here. Once you have chosen a color, tap on the double A icon again and the whole screen will fill with that color. Now let's start adding photos. Tap the sticker icon right next to the AA text at the top and find the photo sticker. If you don't see it right away, just type photo into the search bar. Tap on your first photo, then pinch with two fingers to resize or crop it exactly how you want. Tap done and feel free to rotate and position it anywhere on the screen. Repeat this process for a second and third photo. Tap the sticker icon each time, choose another image and drag, rotate and place it wherever looks best. And just like that, your freeform collage is complete. Method 2, the layout tool grid. If you want something quicker and cleaner, this second method is perfect. It lets you snap photos directly into a neat grid. Opens the story camera and tap the layout icon in the left menu. It looks like a grid. Tap the grid button on the left to choose how many photos you want, 2, 3, 4 or 6. Now take photos directly with the camera or tap the gallery icon in the bottom left to pick pictures straight from your phone. Once your grid is filled, tap the check mark, add any text or sticker you like, and you are ready to share. And that's it. Two simple ways to combine multiple photos into one Instagram story. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.